So as you may or may not know, I'm Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, and I film video recipes. Well, recently, YouTube reached out and sent me this package here. And they send these out to creators that hit certain marks. I recently hit 100,000 subscribers on my channel. That means you guys, more or less, likely subscribed. And I thank you for that. But let's take a look at what got us here. Because if it weren't for these videos that I created, we wouldn't have any subscribers at all. Check this out.
Now let's go ahead and check this out, shall we? Looks like some guy named Rick is responsible for putting together this package. And this, of course, is the letter of congratulations from YouTube and the CEO, Susan herself. And the award seems to be wrapped in plastic, so let's go ahead and remove it from that. Presented to Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen for passing 100,000 subscribers.
So here it is in all its glory, the new silver award. It's no longer an actual button, as you can see. It's just a mirror behind a silver plated plaque, and that's good enough for me. I can still hang it up, as you can see. I've got my name right in the front. Can't go wrong with that. 100,000 subscribers to my Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen YouTube channel. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you next time.